some motherfucking noise!
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, today's reaction is very special because, well, this song has just, come on top of my priorities of reaction because recently when I reacted to one of the episodes of Rise of Bangtan, you will find all the videos on my Patreon, link in the description. So there was this song which played and I was like, which song is this? I love this song. I want to react to the song. So I've listened to a portion of the song and this song is called House of Cards. And when I type the song, I will of course be reacting to the lyric video because there's no MV for this. And this is a song by all the vocalists. So I did not know that. I first thought that it's like all the members have sung this particular song, but then I found out when I opened the lyric video that it's a purely vocalist based song. But I had loved, like, whatever I had listened to in Rise of Bangtan episode, I was like, I have to listen to this full song because it sounds like my kind of song. It sounds like my kind of song, like the beats and all of that. So yes, today is House of Cards reaction, lyric video reaction. So I don't want to delay this any further. Let's listen to this song right away. I'm really excited. I was like, chodo baki sab, I want to first listen to this song because, I want to add it immediately on my playlist and I don't want to do that without reacting to the song. So here we go. All right, here we go. Yes. Okay. House of Cards. Is it a sad song? Like the music? Wow, I am sorry, I love this. I am telling you, like, because when I listen to that particular song, sometimes it happens now when you listen to something and it completely mesmerizes you. I was like, which song is this? Then because in Rise of Bangtan they give you at the bottom, no, which song is that? I was like, hello, I have to listen to the full song. And yes, my expectations have been met. It sounds amazing. This is a sad song. Oh man. Like look at the lyrics. I want to run that back again because I want to just comment on the lyrics a bit. Like this haunting dhang dhang. So insecure again, dangerous again. Like us. Us means whom? BTS and ARMY? They can't sing it, like, this is very sad, so I'm not guessing it's about, I'm not like, it can't be BTS and ARMY. It probably is there. Whom are they talking about? Let me just, I don't know whom are they talking about. Holding out, we can't, because it's very hard to endure, and like we are enduring each other's company, something like that. I think they're not particularly talking about someone over here. I mean, it's generic, like it's a sad song. Generally, I'm saying it's a sad song. Like, this is talking about a particular emotion that probably we can relate to, that something happens like this in somebody's life. where there are two people. So I think that this is talking about some phase or in somebody's life. This is that emotion. Like when you know that the relationship is failing, but you still want to be like, but you're still together trying to work it out. Something like that. But you're falling. As time passes by, we only mess it up even more. Because House of Cards, they are very, like, it's very, very critical. If it doesn't balance perfectly, it falls off. So one little disbalance and the entire house falls off. So that's how the relationship has become. It's so fragile. It's like a house of cards. No matter how much you try to stabilize it, it'll collapse again. Whoa! This is really haunting and sad, huh? And this chorus is so freaking haunting. And us inside. In the playlist, getting added to the playlist. But still they both want to stay together. I could be completely interpreting it wrong. Oh, this has this jazzy kind of tune. Whoa. Sorry, all the four vocalists are nailing this song. They're killing it. I can't even say, one is being superior than the other and or something, somebody is everybody is standing out. Like they are so much in sync with each other in terms of how to synchronize and harmonize in the vocals. Oh man. Just the ad-libs at the background. This is more like trying to hold on to a relationship that is already withered away. Huh? Something like that? I'm sorry. What? Jimin? Park Jimin? What was that? What was that? And look at this. Look at the line that he's singing. Please, baby, calm down. The guy who just doesn't know how to calm down. Like, how ironic. Oh my goodness. I am going to this is going to be played on repeat, I feel, at this point. I'm so fascinated with this song. It is so freaking haunting. And there is this beautiful jazzy kind of feeling to it in between. But the overall music, it's so dark and like this is something where you just want to put all the lights out and then just blast the song. Oh man, I know I'm smiling, but I know the lyrics are sad, but I'm smiling because the song is so good. Like the emotion. Whoa. Wait. Just this. Jimin? What the hell? Like he over there.
Slow down. 조금만 더 머물러줘. Please, baby, calm down. 조금만 더. 더 위태로워, 더 위험해. So bad, so bad.
His voice to send me to heaven.
버티기도.
Are you seeing all the vocalists? Like first Jungkook sang, then Jimin, then Tae, and then Jin. How amazing they sound! Like literally, I am telling you, the vocalists have nailed it. All of them, 100 out of 10. I'm giving to them.
하기도 so hard.
Whew.
또 무너지는 걸 그대로 만드니 그 속에서 우리 끝이 보인대도 곧 쓰러진대도 그대로 만드니 바보같이 우리 어떤 꿈이래도 이대로 조금 더 stay.
I want to listen to Jimin sing that line live. Baby, calm down. I just want to listen to that live. Oh. This song, I got reminded of so many things. This song, firstly, the lyrics are unbelievably sad, but in terms of the composition, the music, I don't know who composed this song, let me know. The composition wise, this song has such an old school vibe. Firstly, it has that jazzy vibe, which I loved. Okay. Secondly, it has that, I don't know. When I say old school, you know what I mean? This is something that, this is the kind of song that would probably fit in a James Bond film of like at the 90s era, 80s, 90s era. That, like, just switch up the lyrics a little bit, but this exact composition, I'm only talking about the composition, this is so fitting into like a James Bond kind of film. This song, this composition. In fact, the song also, this song, if you look at the lyrics, the House of Cards, like how it's so difficult to balance it out and just, it's falling, and because the lyrics are incredibly sad. Oh, this will fit so perfectly in a James Bond film. Like literally, I cannot now unsee it, like unimagine it. It's perfect. It's just perfect. You know? Oh, wow. I loved it. I loved it. Like if this MV, like if this song had an MV, I would totally shoot the video. If I was the director, it would have been like this dim lit bar, pub. There would be like the entire bartender area would be very dimly lit, and they would be in all black with like the sleek, like the James Bond outfit with the bow tie and everything, looking very sleek and dashing, and then having this intense look and singing. Oh man. Like one guy sitting at the bar stool, probably, you know, I would make Jimin sit at the bar counter with the bartender, and he's having this drink in his hand and just doing that baby calm down thing. Oh, then one guy would be probably sitting at maybe like a casino kind of a set, maybe like a pool table or something, and then maybe I think Jungkook would be perfect for that. Then Tae, I would probably, you know, make him stand like on the stage where people sing and perform, and he would be like in this retroish look with that beautiful hat, and I don't know, he's gonna do that. And Jin, let me think. Jin could be like an audience just sitting there looking at Tae, watching him, and then doing all these sleeky moves over there and being all fabulous, you know. He could be the car door guy. He's like a customer coming into the, you know, into that bar. He opens the car door with all his sleek outfit and goes inside, tosses like something like his black card, and he just sits like, I'm a regular. And he's, oh wow. See, I totally imagined the MV. I totally imagined the MV, and all of these guys are fighting their own demons. They are sad and they're singing the song. This is how I would make the MV look like. Very sleek and stylish and yet very dark. I love this song. Fantastic. 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 Yes, so that was the reaction. Armies, I want to know your thoughts on the song. I don't know. And also, can I just say, even though the song is sad, there is this sexiness to it. Like just the music, it's very, that's why I said that the first thing which came in my mind that this could be so perfect for a James Bond film, because it's stylish, it's sexy, and there's a mystery added to it. So yeah, that's what I want to say. So yes, beautiful song, great composition, amazing vocals, lyrics, fantastic. So yes, that was the reaction to BTS's vocal line House of Cards. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Like ever since I reacted to that video where the song was playing, I was like, I have to listen to the song because I want to add this to my playlist, and this sounds like something that I would love. Yes. So that was the reaction, Armies. I hope you guys enjoyed this and have come till the end. Share your thoughts on this song in the comments below. I will see you soon on my next video, guys. Bye.
You are the cause of my euphoria.